vlogging that nigga vlogging me. I'm gonna get you from over here. Oh, hold on. That nigga finna do that. Huh? Look how I'm hiding behind him. I see it. Here, okay, this is touching my vlog. Hey, but look. Show him my booth real quick. I'm covering the camera.
Hold this.
So what's up, guys, man? But look. Show him what I did. She said, I guess they're vlogging. That's my nigga Norman. Hey, you gotta grab the other vlog. That shit is me. Yeah, stopped it the first time? Stopped it when I gave it to you? I don't think so. Oh, I thought I was recording longer than a minute. He recorded me on that camera and this camera. That's the famous YouTuber. You don't even have a YouTuber. Shit, we got the best welder in here. I don't even know how to use that. Yo, they all up in my booth. My booth's small. This what I did.
Are you making a longer one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Introduce yourself.
Hello. I am one of the best.
Best welders? Nah, don't whisper.
Come take a look. You got this one. See that? See that?
Yes, sir.
Got that side?
Hey, y'all believe it or not, she better than me. She better than me,
You really vlogging? Yeah, YouTube or what?
Yeah. You gonna subscribe?
Yeah, whenever I see you guys.
What's your, you got your phone? I wasn't even gonna vlog on here, but we started turning it on. But y'all, this hot as fuck in here. Man, what kind of phone you got?
Are they not doing it?
I don't know. I ain't got that many subscribers though. I just started my new channel.
Are you vlogging the journey?
Yeah, everything.
You go to by Total Welding School? That's yours?
Everything, yeah.
No way.
That is mine.
Who is this green hazel I got?
Out of school, now we in a big hotel. Well, it ain't no big hotel. I'm gonna show y'all how it look though once I get in there. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to the house tour. You know what I'm saying? We got, hold on, let me put my stuff down. We got king size room over there, another king room over here. We got the living room / dining room, the kitchen. The kitchen small as hell, the lights off in this bitch. Oh, the lights don't work in this bitch. I don't think so. Hold on, let me see. Damn. One light work? I guess. But it's cool in here though, it feel good. Then there's me. Cool little bathroom. I'm finna hop in that shower immediately. And shit. See y'all probably later if I can continue the vlog. Oh yeah, TV too. I know the vlog was short of me welding. I forgot to end it. But if y'all want to see more vlogs of me at welding school or looking at my welds or anything like that, comment below and let me know. Appreciate y'all for watching. Subscribe.